4 civilians injured and homes damaged in Bahrain after Iranian drones were shot down. Could this escalation signal a wider regional conflict? You need to know what just happened now. Early Saturday, Bahrain's Ministry of Interior reported that Iranian drones were intercepted over the Sitra residential area. The interception caused debris and shrapnel to fall onto homes, injuring 4 civilians with minor wounds and damaging several houses. This attack marked a direct Iranian aggression impacting Bahraini civilians, raising serious concerns about the conflict spreading beyond traditional battle zones. The violence is not limited to Bahrain. In Abu Dhabi, authorities confirmed that a missile was intercepted near the Khalifa Economic Zones, Abu Dhabi, KEZAD. Although no injuries were reported, minor damage was sustained. These incidents show the conflict is expanding into key Gulf economic hubs, threatening regional stability and commercial centers that are vital to global trade. The interception of Iranian drones triggered widespread air raid sirens across Bahrain and neighboring areas. Civilians scrambled into shelters, highlighting the growing fear of a wider war involving Lebanon and other regional players. This escalation disrupts daily life and increases anxiety among Gulf residents who now face the threat of becoming collateral damage in a larger military conflict. Iranian drone attacks on Bahrain represent a dangerous escalation in the ongoing U.S.-Israel-Iran conflict. The attacks not only target military objectives, but also affect civilian areas, signaling a shift toward more aggressive tactics. This raises questions about the effectiveness of current regional security measures and the potential for further spillover violence across the Gulf and Levant. With Bahrain and Abu Dhabi experiencing missile and drone attacks, U.S. and allied forces are on high alert. The situation is evolving rapidly, with potential diplomatic and military responses in play. This heightened tension could lead to increased international involvement, signaling a critical juncture in the U.S.-Israel-Iran conflict, with global implications. If you live in or have ties to the Gulf region, this conflict could disrupt your safety and economy. Stay informed as the situation unfolds, because the impact could reach your home or business. Subscribe now for daily updates on this urgent story.